Welcome to eToycathon 2025, an exciting and innovative competition that brings together the brightest engineering minds to create the future of electronic toys. This eToycathon is an event organized under the project titled Development of Electronics and IT-based Control and Automation Solutions for Electronic Toys Industry, implemented by CDEC Noida and sponsored by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Let's dive into the important dates you need to know to participate in this exciting event. The first step to participate in this event is registration of the institutes. Make sure your college or institute registers for eToycathon by December 14, 2024 to secure your spot in this exciting competition. Institute must nominate a faculty member as the SPOC, single point of contact, for further communications related to the event. The registration link can be found in the advertisement shared with the institutes, and QR code is given here also. Once your institute is registered, it's time to form and register your team. From December 16 to December 22, 2024, the SPOC, single point of contact, at your institute will register the teams online using the registration link which will be provided after the institute registration. Each team consists of 2 to 4 members, and each institute can submit a maximum of 2 teams to participate in the eToycathon. It's up to the institute to organize a selection process to shortlist the final 2 teams that will represent them in the competition. During the team registration period, from December 16 to December 22, 2024, the SPOC at your institute will also need to select a problem statement for each team. These problem statements will be provided by CDEC Noida, and they will focus on the development of innovative electronic toys. You will be provided with a confirmation mail regarding the problem statement assigned to the team. It's time to submit your solution and give presentation of your ideas for stage 1 of the competition. This phase will take place online from January 13 to January 17, 2025. All the team members will have to be present online for this phase of the competition and present the solution to the selected problem. Teams must submit a comprehensive report detailing the toy design, including its specifications, functionality, block diagram, PCB schematic, layout, and a bill of materials (BOM). While working on your solution, please remember that you stick to the specifications of the required toys and you do not use any development boards until and unless it is specified in the problem statement. Additionally, teams are required to design the toy's outer structure, which should also be included in the submission if applicable. This is your opportunity to showcase your creativity by developing a toy that meets all the technical specifications, is cost-effective, and most importantly, visually appealing. On January 18, 2025, CDEC will announce the shortlisted teams that have made it to the next stage. Your hard work and innovation will pay off as the top teams will be selected to the stage 2 of the event. So if you are among these shortlisted teams, it's time to refine your design. From January 18 to January 26, 2025, you will have the opportunity to perfect your prototype by adding the final touches. This phase is critical for enhancing both the functionality and visual appeal of your design before moving into the development stage. During this period, you will need to submit key files including the PCB Gerber files, bill of materials, and 3D modeling files in their native format along with .stl format for the printing process, which will be handled by CDEC Noida. Additionally, if there are any specific requirements such as materials, colors, cloth, or extra components needed for the toy's complete prototype design, be sure to specify them in your submission. Please note that whatever you have submitted for the solution of the problem will be the copyright of CDEC Noida. Remember, the final design submission must be completed by January 26, 2025. Make sure every detail is perfect before the submission. In this exciting phase, the selected teams will now gather at CDEC Noida from February 25 to 27, 2025 for the final development of their electronic toy prototypes. Over the course of 3 intense days, teams will have access to cutting-edge technology and resources provided by CDEC Noida, including printed PCBs, components for PCB mounting, and the 3D printed outer structures of your toy based on the design files submitted by each team. During this stage, the teams will engage in critical tasks such as mounting the PCB components, assembling the toy, programming the microcontrollers or other programmable ICs, and conducting thorough PCB testing. This is your final opportunity to bring your toy to life, refining it into a working prototype. Throughout the process, teams will be closely monitored by judges and industry experts who will evaluate your progress, and their decisions will be final. Finally, the moment you all have been waiting for, the result declaration and the award ceremony. It will take place on February 28, 2025. The top teams will be celebrated for their exceptional work, with the winning prototypes receiving the recognition they truly deserve. Exciting prizes, certificates, and prestigious recognition await the champions of eToycathon. So, what are you waiting for? Register your team now and dive into the world of innovation and join the eToycathon 2025. We hope this video has helped you understand the structure of the competition. If you have any queries or need further clarifications, feel free to reach us at toyproject@cdec.in. We are here to assist you. So let's come together and make this event a grand success through your participation and innovative contributions. Together we can create exciting electronic toys that will contribute to the growth and the progress of our country. Let's innovate, create, and inspire. Thank you.